Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change the name in Outlook Mail. So let's get started. So if you want to change your name in your Outlook Mail, so to do that what you have to do is open up your Chrome browser. So first open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you have to search for Outlook. So just search for outlook.com, and after searching for that it will directly take you to your Outlook account. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and then tap on desktop site, and then change your site from mobile to desktop. And after changing it, now what you can do is just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and then select your profile. After selecting your profile, just select the profile that you have linked with your Outlook. After doing that, now you can find your Outlook account info. So from here what you have to do is just simply scroll down, and after scrolling down, now you have to tap on edit name. So you will find this edit name option, so you just have to tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can change your account's name. So in order to change your account's name, what you have to do is just enter the first name, enter the second name. After entering those first name and second name, now you'll find this caption. So you just have to enter the caption the same as it is that you can find in that photo, and after entering it, just simply tap on save. So if this shows you an error, what you can do is just simply tap on new, and then that will generate a new caption. What you can do is just simply enter that new caption and then tap on save, and that will change your name on Outlook. So just simply follow these easy steps, and after following this you can also change your name on Outlook. So that's it guys. This is how to change name in Outlook Mail. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.